So now we're moving on to adding two numbers with JavaScript. So you're adding number, so that's that's a data type, right? So number is a data type in JavaScript which represents a numeric data. Which represents numeric data. Now let's try to add two numbers using JavaScript. JavaScript uses the plus symbol as an addition operator when placed between two numbers. Example, my var equals 5 plus 10. Signed 15. Right. Change the 0 so that the sum will equal 20. Change 0. Oh, I'm too busy looking at the example. Okay, over here, change 0 so that, okay, so it will equal 20. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. That should be correct. Yep. Cool.